Lord have mercy upon me soul. Boy, people, you can't say me never did I warn you. Oh Lord, me tell you. Who know that tenor side? Can't say me never did I warn you. Oh Lord, me tell you. When trouble take your Lord of God, pick me short it a go fit you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. When trouble take your Lord of God, pick me short it a go fit you. Yes, man. People. Let me tell you no fam now. It's not everything that start well end well. When me just say to you, it's not everything that start well end well. You know what I mean now? When me I say this, I don't want to know. I don't try get to no ears muffin because it going to start well, but it not going to end well. This is one of my shortest video I might just do on this channel away from when I'm doing sharps. And it's a very long time I've not done a sharps. Very, very long time. Sharps is the shortest thing I ever do on this channel. So this video might be one of the shortest video. Admiral, it said them think me did done. Anyway, people, this now have nothing to do with me. It now have nothing to do with me. That's because I bust out the laugh. I remember Admiral Bailey song when him say, them think me did done. Them think me did done. Them think me did done. Me just a come. Them think me did done. Yes, that's why I just said that it now have nothing to do with me. Anyway, let me say this first. I don't know what they do. It is so easy to do it now cost you $1. Like, share and subscribe. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. We just need 33 more subscribers. Remember Easter last year when I reached 9,000 odd. I count it off and I said, boy, it might be hard. Because remember now, me not have no push but uno. No other big platform, middle class platform or side platform is not giving me any push like that. Yes, they might recognize me, but you know I don't get that push from them like that. So is the more me work, I want to share, yes. And people scroll, and people see, and people like, yes. And people discover, and them stop, yes. So me know the work did I go hard, but me know some point me did I go reach. So me did say Christmas, and then me see it reach certain time, I say Lord, it now go make it, you know. Alright. When you give me X amount, me still never get the X amount. But now we are close to it now. Almost 1 year and after. We are there soon. 33 more subscribers. So now share. Remember, please to watch the ads. That's how the channel gain a revenue. So I can continue to help the needy and not the greedy. And remember, follow me also on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, for all your election coverage that I can give to you, polling station to polling station, interviewing, paying people labor right. And if I can get the interview in with the officials, I will also get the interview in. I don't have to be the one going to ask them for it, but I just wait till I see the mainstream media is doing it. I have my mic, yes, I have one of those mic with the little thing on it. I abandoned this selfie stick here. I going to utilize it as an extension where I put my mic in it. So I don't have to hop in at them face more than I just have my mic out there and catching everything. So you will be seeing me out there. So go and subscribe to Life is a Mission TV for all those coverage and election day, during ballot count, during the ballot and move from the polling station. Yes, and the result. Alright, you're in the diaspora and you want to keep in touch, whether you're PRJ, Life is a Mission TV. And please remember, continue to support the merch and the website of Charms and Trends.shop. Speak My Mind t-shirt, Speak My Mind caps are there. We don't have any Life is a Mission cap overseas, but we have Speak My Mind caps. So if you're in the United States and need a Speak My Mind cap, you can just reach out, and you know that you'll post and you reach you in no times. T-shirts over there on the website. We have tumblers, we have mugs, water bottles for the gym goers, wine cups, tea cups, opener, customized phone case, anything you want, you get it customized. Once we can do it, we will. Alright, put your picture upon it, your name, you just name it. Alright, best way why you must shop. Best thing why you must shop with Charms and Chains. Quality goods, affordable prices. Alright? Anyway, people, as I said, this is one of the shortest video on what better person it must be about. Lord Jesus. Me see the same so TV run out A.K.A. T-girl. Boy T-girl, your voice where you use just a sound same like how you look. Muscular like a man. Jesus please. Me hear you come out and go and like say I know you and all the individual I call you Tina and she join the bagwagon. But what I have to say, same so TV come out pan this so-called planka blogger. Because she said she get the information that she's a so-called planka blogger and she don't know which part she come from. She never heard of her. She don't know how she reach on her platform and all these bag of things. But as me say, people, it not end well like how it start. So me not hold no suspense no more. Me Dave not go tell you no who, cause me not need to call the name. But uno listen. I like them want, I like them will get. So uno listen. I remember me tell you no. It not end well. Dopey know who fi frighten. Dopey know who.
Somebody sent me a video. And they said it's a new planka blogger.
No dry throat
I
recently.
think the name of the person is Pinky. And I hear the person talking about Sameway.
If your panty up, and if your panty up,
whatever,
that's me up. I would remember that cartel there.
Then they explained to me that it's a new planka blogger, and they sent me a bunch of pictures and information on this person and history and all of that.
No, 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 no. But everybody is planker. Is there a registration number? Cause everybody is planker. As someone come out here and say anything, them label them as a planker. They don't have a registration number, so tell me, oh, there is a planker. Big tune.
Honestly, I really didn't even care, but you know, of course, information coming through, I'm gonna look at it. You know, I want to tell you something, young lady, Pinky, and I hope you're listening to this, because I don't even know how you find yourself on my page.
Start well,
I didn't
but it
even
not
know
end well.
I didn't even know who you were. I literally had to go over, when I listened to the video, I said, okay, let me go over that page, because they screen recorded and sent it to me. I said, let me go see this person page.
I remember now, people, want to know my style. When I come out here and I play a video like this, I am not on nobody's side. I just highlighting what happened and what happened, and I find it interested, or I find it, you know, a certain way where me feel like I want to bring it. But if he say something, or she say something, or she over there say something that I feel like I want to interject, I will. I am not on no side. Me there right in the middle. Simple. So, I am not here for none of them.
I've never heard of you. So how did you find my page? And obviously,
you never do what?
Look like you come like one of them, because now you're still...
Wait, you just said a while ago, you never do what? Come on. The Portland blogger them can't so popular, especially from week. The Portland blogger them in the news. As me say again, speedy recovery, Jizzleberg from the Walking TV. Yes man, speedy recovery. So this is to show you how popular the Portland bloggers are in the news. And you tell me say you don't know this person, you're too lying. Size them and size up. Size up.
Don't see my page with Tina Chin. Leave Tina Chin alone. Leave Tina Chin alone.
Leave you alone. Leave you alone.
I'm trying to find out how me and you become somewhat of associate. Why are you calling my page name?
The radiator boil now, yeah? So now listen. Radiator boil.
Suggest something to you, long lady. If you're trying to be a blogger, the last thing you want to do is box your page into only where you're getting views from our followers as plankers. You don't want them to hold you like that. You don't want them to hold you on your crutch like that. What you should try to do is expose your page to a wider audience. Bring.
Come on. I saw the one on the step on the side there. Me not understand. I saw no, really and truly. Reality check. I saw the one on the step on the side there. Una always want to teach people how to fish and una can't fish. Una always want to lead people on the right path, but at the same time, una walk with stick, can't lead on yourself. You have a page. You have 2 pages. Facebook, YouTube. And make us see. What is this? Well, they gained a little followers recently. 932 subscribers. And you have been a while over here without reaching 1,000 subscribers. And you are giving somebody the know-how to get there. But you don't know it for yourself. This coming like a dumb man to teach a next man to talk. It coming like I saw the wall on over this stay. Wanna teach people how to elevate, but you can't elevate. Facebook, YouTube are the same thing. Me not see on your channel them elevate. And you know what to do? Are you not doing it for yourself? You are doing the exact and identical thing that you are telling somebody else not to do. Very rare you have carried something else outside of this diaspora. And even so, whether we're in this diaspora or outside of this diaspora, you still not reach. And if you know the know-how that you can come out here and try to tell somebody, me can't understand. You don't know the best way for people, but you don't know the right way for you.
Other people over. If it's the Jamaican audience you want to get, you know, see the Jamaican audience big. It don't only stop at plankers. It's big. If you go on TikTok,
so why you live pan out over here?
It don't only stop on plankers. Go listen to Popeye News. Those are mostly Jamaicans. Look on their platform.
Check your last 3 posts. Make a check your last 3 posts. Alright, watch this. Your last 9 posts. 6 of your last 9 posts is about Dana. 6 of your last 9 posts is about Dana. And the complete 9 is about over this diaspora. So even in the next 3 video, the topic might not about Dana. But somewhere along the line, her name might be called in that video. So you just check that. Your last 9 video, 6 of them is about Dana. And 3 otherwise is about in this diaspora, same way. Where you talk about the next woman down a country mother birthday. One where you talk about mix up Adassa and Mighty Max. That are 2. And this one right now where you talk about. Right? So in between, you have 5 video back to back. No, 4 video back to back where you talk about Dana. But yet still you come and teach somebody how to enhance them page. Not to cover up themselves in one little space where it's one audience. But yet still you are doing the same thing. You're not searching for other audience. Because even over here so you still not make it. And even when you go elsewhere and talk about other people, you still not make it. Make a look here. Alright, me I go back from 2 months ago. Me I stop 2 months ago. Alright, me now go on the 3-month video then. 2 months ago, you do a video, you thought something not adding up, Tikiana business. 228 views. You talk about the man of England, 97 views. You come here, so you talk about the mother of Coolie Man and neighbor speak Ray. 46 views. You come again, why not the same energy when your boyfriend was whatsoever 79 views? Yeah, me never read out what you talk about. One year again, 155. I ordered me 2 months ago. 124. 102. 76. 273. 97. 107. 96. You get one video, you know you get 9.7 views. 9,700. Because you were actually talking about Blam Them and World Dog and whatsoever. And you know that mix up there is like everybody into the Blam Them back then, them time there. 1 month ago that happened. So we're going to the last month now. You come back here, so you get a 18,000 view. Mother and daughter at it in Jamaica. Right? Alright. 4 weeks ago, 916 views speaking of cargo. 1,200 speaking of Auntie Dana. 698 speaking of the woman of country. Auntie Dana again, 618. Dana again, 1K. And the woman mother birthday, where you just do recently, 190. Planka Bass again, 568. Adassa and Maxine, 147. Planka Bass again, 357. This now 4 hours ago. This is the one I do here now, 24. So tell me now, what you do for yourself to enhance your channel? You touch 2 topics where the people them gravitate to, and you can't find no more. And it's not all you bring across the topic where the people them gravitate to it, you know. It is all the topic is about. Blam Them. And another one I get must 18,000 views or 9,000 something. Yes. Where you talk about mother and daughter whatsoever. So how you come out here and teach people how to fish and who can't fish? Who can't put on the bait on the hook, but to not show people how to choke the line. Without the bait upon the hook, where you gonna catch off? And you have to can show the person how to rig up the line and then how to put the bait upon the hook before you can teach them to choke the line. Because where them all catch if not bait on the hook? I jig them, I go jig some little bait fish. Must.
Miss Big, go listen to On The Spot, Sir B. You don't have to come out here cursing people out just to grow your channel.
So why you can't look alright?
Listening.
So why you don't take the same step? Listen to look you have to look at On The Spot and Sir P. Why you can't take the same step? You have been hiding your face. Nobody knows you. Come out here. And do like On The Spot and Sir P. None of them guys, nobody knows them face. Because from day one, them never do a video. Because they didn't know them intention clear. What type of blogging them going into. It's a very risky one where their life is on the line. So them can't identify themselves. So like how you want do that. You can't come out and come start doing blogging there too. What do you not understand, you know? When you check YouTube, you have so many bloggers on YouTube. From different countries, various countries across the world. Some foolishness where some of them are do. If me and you do it, nobody no look upon we. But guess what? Everybody have them audience out here. Every blogger who on YouTube worldwide have their audience. A man out there we have a platform where might do certain things where every video him drop. You see him get all 50,000 likes. Make me do that, no? 50,000 views with me. Make me do that. Probably never get 100. You understand? Make him try when me a try, yeah, so. Probably never get 100 neither. So everybody platform have its purpose. It have them own audience. Them audience love them for where them support from day one and when them come see why them support them. So whatever they put out, and that them are going to support. Me and you might have look point and say, I want to Lord God. The man eat iguana. And how much people sit down and watch him? Me and you eat iguana. Yes, probably people will watch it because it's something strange for Jamaican sitting down eating iguana. But put that all tight and find something else. Nobody don't want to see me. So you got to say, watch on the spot, and you go watch on the spot and follow on the spot still. And remember, no, me not pick up for the next person, as I say, me just interject per way that I say towards. You understand? Or what?
Don't fear your video, you're cussing even Marcia, Maxine. Why are you cussing these people? Oh, these people don't even know you. Who are you?
Radiator go bust you know, you know. The radiator go
do some
bust.
skits. From what they're selling, from what I'm hearing, they're telling me you're a lady of the night. That means you sell your body for a living.
Radiator go
So let
bust.
me give you a suggestion.
Radiator
Because
go
they
bust.
say you really don't sell your
Me a
body
put
to
water in
local,
my
you sell
radiator.
your body to foreigners. Most of the man they may come off of the cruise ship. So let me give you an idea. Next time one of the clients them come off of the cruise ship and them dig out your hole, after them finish, record them. You don't even have to put their face on it because they probably don't want their face on it. Of course, they wouldn't want to be associated.
Oh, you see it crab and the pan come cocoa fat. You want more water for this? My radiator burn up.
Ask them, how good was your hole? Next time one of them come and sink their hood in your throat and you give them the deep throat and all of that, ask them
Cristiano, no leave the line.
how good was your throat?
Hallelujah, Cristiano, no leave the
Next time
line.
them come all over your face and rub them, come all over
Christian,
your
me
face
sound
like
to
a
leave the
lotion.
line. Don't blame me.
Ask them
I did
how
one.
good them baby making stuff feel all over your face. Yeah, that's a good start because that's your profession, right? So instead of you coming out here following the trend and cursing people that you have never met and people that have never done anything to you, let's bring you your career path in this. Let us find out how good.
Hold on. You have a style on the talk about people where you never met. People where you never met. People where not do you nothing. So all the people where you no blog about and come out here, come ridicule. You no draw them down. You no talk all kind of things, fabricated stories. You no meet them. You no know them. More than just in a phone. Eh? So when you not speak, you not speak for yourself too. You not think about the same thing you not tell somebody to do. You not do it too. Or the same thing you not blame people of doing, or the same thing you not do too. You not sit and think of that before and come out here come say it. How can you be jumping the river and not throw a substance in the river? And know the crayfish and the fish and the crab were in the river. The substance where you throw in there can't analyze them. But you still cross the river and throw it in there. But when somebody else across the river and I throw something, probably two rubbish, two plastic back, you say them a pollute the place. But you remember say the breed of crabs and crayfish and fishes that is in the river, where you throw in there, I get rid of them. This can retrieve. This can retrieve. Them say this take how much years. Yes, it might cause a little damage, but it can retrieve. When you throw your substance in the river and analyze the crab, the lobsters, the shrimp, and the fishes, the population of that gone. I forgot start all over again. But you no see me a throw the buckle in the river.
You are. I want to know how good you are. You've been doing this from what they're saying. You've been doing this for a while.
It not done enough.
So come out now.
Car
Since
couldn't
you're
use
still
it, not
doing
done.
come out and let us
Engine
know
a
who
go
you are.
rev.
Let us hear it from your clients. Let us hear it from your clients.
OnlyFans?
Because I know your whole and your throat are universal because
Jesus
global, I should say,
Christ.
because all them people that come off of the cruise ship, they come from every different walk of the world.
Jesus Christ.
Their
Universal?
I would love to hear what their
A remote.
assessment of how good
A
your
car
job
parts.
is, how good you perform. I would love to hear the assessment of you. And I'm sure you'd want to hear it yourself too.
So you are gonna follow up on OnlyFans? You are gonna follow up on OnlyFans? Cause come like an OnlyFans here tell her if you go start. Money over there, you know, say Ivan here tell you. She make 20,000 less than 36 hours. 20,000 US a big man, you know. And the first time she do it, she make 12,000. in less than, what, 16 hours, she say, or 12 hours. Some money over there. Only fans, at that yes, and I go do. Then Tina, nothing now go on for you, no can't go do it too. I want to fight today and do what day. Eh? I will your page name. Come here. Tina, I'm here alone and talk. I will your page name. Where your page name over OnlyFans? Guy come like I eat you go do make you introduce her. You make money now. Rusty. Ivan draw out the whole of no. Rusty. Tina, a long time you know say you ready, you know through your year Ivan come out here come talk about she make 20,000 in less than 36 hours. And she make 12 in less than 16 hours. You run gone over there too. So I come now, you come and introduce that woman over there. Come like she there with the OnlyFans to people. Come here, Blanca. Anyone I want to find out, wanna tell me. Cause me like have evidence. So if you wanna find out where the platform name wanna make me know. Cause me like have evidence, you know, me not like come and chat and no prove.
To know them really feel about you. So let's concentrate on that. Let's make some other kind of content. Stop coming out here messing with people that have never done anything to you. People that have never seen you. I don't know who invite you on this page. I don't associate myself with people like you. I would never find myself associating myself with people who lie down and who make man sleep with them for a living. You're a prostitute. I don't associate myself with prostitutes.
But every work I work. Every work I work. Suppose just take it as fair work. Who is you? Suppose you see that as fair income. Who is you? Are your body share use? Me don't know, me ask. I just ask me ask. You know, me no business, me just ask. Me is for the unjust. So me ask. A fair body, and suppose you see it as a work. A fair work. You know, see people out here say them have out of them people out here say them have out of them hey, rotted same parish. Same parish. Yeah, what thing then call ready eye. It's supposed to woman ready eye over the next woman when she get out of here. Me not wrong, you go and go look it to yes.
Pinky. Pinky, stay on the other side of the track. Do not cross the do not pass that little shop that you see there. Don't pass it. Because there's different kind of people live up here.
No. Don't get bright now. Don't get bright now, cause better you do a sell for your front. Cause in your days I give a for your front. Don't get bright now about shop. But don't pass that little shop, different type of people. Yes, different type of people, you have a right. Progressive people and ambitious people over that little shop there. But your big old shop where you have like underneath you. Nobody there no progressive. Nobody there no ambitious. Who no come on phone, come talk, but we can't see. You know, say I be a dark and scream on there behind you. Almost the whole of I be a dark scream. The whole of coming like some mongrel that behind the dark scream them. Over there so. Yeah. You know like how you have the pit bull them in the yard. And from me I go them say the big breed dog I'll do, but then me I just half station me know about. And German Shepherd. But them always say when you have them big breed dog in your yard, you have to have mongrel in there. Because you see the mongrel them and them are the Satan. Yes, the mongrel and them are the Satan. Because them it's come like them have a more sensitivity. Where them quicker for ear and see things than the big breed dog. So them are always the first one. Them, and then the big dog them will start run come now. If you make them call up, you know what's going on. So you come like mongrel, you know. You stay behind the dark scream and hide. And then the Lorraine and the Marcy and the this and the that. Because you claim to say you're not Tina. So we could address you otherwise. Because we don't know what we know, you know. But we are going to address you otherwise. You're coming like a mongrel. Come out here, come show your face. You're not Tina. Come out here, come show your face. And if you come out here, come show your face, we can't say anything also. Because why? How many times you have used voice changer to change? It's not like you use the same voice changer voice from you have this platform. You change voice changer voice in about 10 different voice. I was still going to say a Tina. So it's not like a one voice change a voice you have so we can say, okay, come out here now and start vlog. And I could see your face. So don't get bright to the shop now. Stay at the banana country. Parish. If a banana you go for chop down, you go and go chop down your banana and load the shop. We don't sell banana cake. We don't sell banana pudding. So chop your banana at Portland and leave the shop alone. Don't get bright. We don't sell Dettol and Jays at the shop. So no get bright with your germs yourself. Find an animal pet store and go buy your Dettol and your Jays. Don't get bright with your germs yourself with the shop, alright? Just continue to chop your banana at Portland.
Yeah. No, we don't do that. We was raised well. We was told to go to school, get an education, get a degree, get a husband, have few kids. We wasn't told to go lay down on our back for every man that come with a few children open up with legs for. No. So I don't associate myself with people like you. So guess what? You are not welcome on this page. I'm in a different league than you. Over here, we are in a different league than you. Brinky.
As I say, me there for the injust. Anywhere it falls, yes. When you gonna say about page, your page is public. Your page is not private. So I think for your page is public, your page is open to the whole world. If your page is public, it is open to the whole world. Anybody can go on it. So if you not hype so much, why don't private on a page or subscription only on a page? Because if on a page open to the public, on hardly can get 200 views. Just imagine if a subscription, you're not gonna even get 5. So come on, your page public. Anybody have the right to go up on your page. Nobody now have to get no welcome note or welcome letter from you to go up on a page.
Pinky, you're a prostitute. You're a whore. You sell your body for your living, so continue to do so. Don't come back on this page. And a matter of fact, when I finish, I'm gonna block you off this page. I don't even know who
Gear
this
have a
woman
change now.
is.
Listen, gear
And
have change.
I'm not really even trying to disrespect you, to be honest. But the way that go on over there, I say, but who? Nobody don't know this blood clot, girl. The way
Gear
that
change.
go on over there, like somebody afraid of you and you go on. Listen, ease yourself, man. Ease yourself. Ease yourself.
Don't you know who for fright now?
Go and go find the next big old 500-pound white man that come off of the cruise ship and go suck off his hood.
Jesus, please. Lincoln Vitae, Mau, Mahogany. What you mean? I wish I let me attack. What you talking, ma'am? Lincoln Vitae, Mau, Mahogany, Cedar. What? Pine? Which one of them? What kind of wood you attack? Mine reported to the forestry department, you know. You can't walk and tell people to go chop down with them way there, you know. I would report it to the forestry department. Alright.
Good, decent people. Move up! You're a prostitute whore, girl. Move up! And associate yourself with associate yourself with good, decent people. Go on! Go make one of the big old fat white man them give you a nice backers. And give you a few change in your pocket. Learn how to be a blogger. The rest of us out here, most like me, myself, I don't want to be a blogger. I just come out here and give my opinion. You see, I'm not on social media every day like this. Move up yourself. And go find your next client, your prostitute.
I want
and
to go.
Leave Tina Chin alone. I don't
Leave Tina Chin, the vice changer, turn up, boy. The vice changer now do no justice for
you know
no.
what you need to do? Go find the nearest veteran.
The vice changer now do no
because
justice for no.
Say you're walking and shot all kind of people. Go find the nearest vet clinic. And
A bad man, or a police man, I wish right. I like the fire mola.
Infection in your throat back. Go make them give you some antibiotic. Go find a vet clinic because you're an animal, so of course you gotta go to the vet. You can't go to a regular doctor. That's why I'm telling you to go to a vet clinic.
This not sit well at
Come on,
all.
don't ever come back over here and try disrespect
This
anybody.
not sit well.
How dare you? You're not welcome on this page. You're a prostitute.
I
Stay
wonder
in
for
your lane.
two. A scenery you deal with, make you deal people, so. No, sir. This look like a scenery you deal with. That's why you deal with the people them, sir. A scenery, you see it? You see it? That's why I tell a man, you know, say, you see me? Me keep myself to myself, you know, I'm not running, you know. I will sing and it sing. Don't, oh, remember Elephant Man. Don't run in. Anytime you say, don't run in. Yeah, remember the Elephant Man there, don't run in. Cause see it there? She can use seniority out here upon the people them. That not pretty, that not normal, it not look good, that not nice. But if you spread your bed, you must know say you're gonna lay down in the bed where you spread. Speak my mind, people, me not have not no much you say. You don't know what they do. It is so easy. One Nation family. We are go up like age. 33 more subscribers for 10,000. Me work feet. I don't know how to see it, so me work feet. Nothing no come easy. Me work for everything. Me see the rising and the fall of many king. That's why when me wake, I Jah me give the glory. What me say? That's why when me wake, I Jah me give me glory. Alright. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV and YouTube. Follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV also. And remember to go over on the website of charmedandtrend.shop and support the merch. The link is in the comment section. That blue writing, when you hit the blue writing in the comment section, you will see the link pop up. Support the merch. Speak My Mind t-shirt, Life is a Mission t-shirt, Speak My Mind caps, tumblers, mugs, you name it. Anything you see over there, you get it customized to your liking. You can get your picture on your tumblers, your water bottles, you name it. Your name, 2 line of your favorite song, or 2 line of your favorite verse. 2 verse of your favorite psalms. Alright? Bless upon yourself, wanna help me to continue to assist the needy and not the greedy. Remember, we want to give back 3 school fees to 3 basic school kids, range from 8,000 to 10,000. By Monday, Tuesday, I want to go and get some how close me is with these schools that I reach out to. If them find anybody else, if you know what me I do, because we want to do this right after the independent, because you don't know, you have to make people know which part them foot in there. You don't want people to spend no extra money with them, never have to spend it. You understand? Or borrow no extra money with them, never have to borrow, because they want to try to sort out them kids to go to school when, you know, somebody out there are going to give helping hand towards certain things. So we want to do this thing right after. The ministry people keep back to school and I keep it in September. If you keep back to school in September, you keep back to school in the last week of August. Or if you keep back to school, we keep the second week of August right after the independent. So the people that are going to spend them little money can know where them can get from, where them can't get, where them not have to spend them money and buy. When the people them done buy it already, you give them it. Where the sense, it don't make no sense. So back to school, we keep like right after the independent. The weekend after the independent. Alright? Anyway, that's it there right now. Peace out.